Hi, my happy little jumpers. Today, I'm drawing Bluey, who loves jumping up and down with joy. It's going to be a bouncy, funny, and super cheerful story. Before we start, tap the like button so Bluey can jump even higher. The morning sun shines bright. Bluey stretches her legs wide. She looks around and says, "I feel so jumpy today." Her tail wiggles with excitement as she hops once, then twice. Give this video a like if you love jumping around too. Bingo walks in holding her favorite toy bunny. "Bluey, what are you doing?" she asks, giggling. Bluey laughs. "I'm jumping to the sky, Bingo. Wanna join me? Tap like if you think jumping together sounds super fun." Bingo starts hopping beside her sister, laughing out loud. "Boing, boing, boing," she says with every little bounce. Bluey giggles. "Look, Bingo, we're like kangaroos. Press like if you've ever pretended to be an animal while playing." Dad walks by with a silly grin and says, "Who let the jumping beans loose?" Bluey laughs so hard she almost falls down. "Come jump with us, Dad," she shouts happily. Give this video a like if you love when your dad joins the fun. Dad starts bouncing too, making funny sound effects. "Boing, boing, super jump," he says in a heroic voice. Bluey and Bingo laugh. "You're the biggest jumper ever, Dad." Tap like if you think Dad's jumps would shake the whole floor. Mom peeks in and shakes her head with a smile. "Oh my goodness, what's happening here?" she asks kindly. Bluey replies, "It's a jumping day, Mom. Everyone's bouncing." Press like if you'd love a fun jumping day with your family. They all bounce together, making the floor sound like a drum. Boing, 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 echoes through the house. Even Mom can't resist joining in with a little jump. Give this video a like if you love when everyone laughs together. After all the fun, Bluey flops on the couch, panting. "That was the best jump ever," she says proudly. Bingo nods. "Let's do it again tomorrow." Before you go, tap the like button if you'd love to join Bluey's next big jump.